How I use AI to learn English 5 times faster. Step-by-step guide. Part 1. Introduction. Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome back to English Parchment. It is a pleasure to have you here today. As your professional digital agency partner, we are committed to helping this channel reach its goal of 100,000 subscribers and helping you reach your goal of true English fluency. Before we reveal the step-by-step system to accelerate your learning by 500%, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support is what allows us to keep creating these deep dive 20-minute lessons, and we love having you as part of our global community. Now let me ask you a question. How long have you been learning English? For many of you, it has been years. You have studied the books, you have taken the classes, and you have memorized the lists. But you still feel like a student. You still feel like you are standing outside the door of the English-speaking world. What if I told you that the old way of learning is broken? The old way was slow because it was designed for a world without technology. But we live in the age of artificial intelligence. Today, I am going to show you my personal system for using AI to learn English 5 times faster than any traditional school. This isn't just about using a chatbot. It is a complete step-by-step guide to changing how your brain absorbs the language. If you stay with us until the end of this video, I will share the universal prompt, a single piece of text that you can use every day to create a perfect, personalized English lesson in seconds. Let's start the revolution. Part 2. Why AI changes the speed of learning. Why 5 times faster? Is that just a big number? No, it is based on 3 scientific reasons. First, immediate feedback. In a traditional school, you write an essay and you wait 3 days for the teacher to correct it. By the time you get it back, your brain has already forgotten what you were thinking. With AI, the feedback is instant. You see the mistake, you see the correction, and your brain adjusts in real time. This feedback loop is what creates speed. Second, high-interest content. Most textbooks are boring. They talk about John going to the supermarket. Your brain hates boring things. It deletes them. With AI, you can learn English through the topics you actually love, whether that is space travel, cooking, or business strategy. When you are interested, your neuroplasticity increases, and you learn faster. Third, the end of language anxiety. As we have talked about on English Parchment, fear is the killer of fluency. When you talk to an AI, your affective filter is at 0. You aren't afraid of looking stupid. You are free to experiment, to fail, and to grow. This psychological safety is the secret fuel that makes you move 5 times faster. Part 3. Step 1. The custom input phase. The first step to learning 5 times faster is to stop using general materials and start using custom input. Most B1 learners use books that are too hard or too boring. To go fast, you need a story that is at your level and about your interests. Here is exactly what to do. Go to ChatGPT and give it this command. I am a B1 English learner. I love insert your hobby, for example, ancient history. Write a 500-word story about this topic using B1 vocabulary. Include 10 useful chunks of language and provide a short summary at the end. Suddenly, you have the perfect graded reader. You don't have to search for a book in a store. You created the perfect learning tool in 5 seconds. Because you already know the topic, history, your brain can guess the English words more easily. This is the first step. Stop being a consumer of books and start being the creator of your own learning materials. Part 4. Step 2. Decoding the language with AI. Once you have your story, you need to decode it. In the old way, you would use a dictionary for every word. That is slow and boring. In the AI way, you use the AI as a contextual consultant. If you see a sentence you don't understand, don't just translate it. Ask the AI, why did the author use the present perfect here instead of the past simple? Or ask, what is the vibe of the word thrilled compared to happy? The AI will explain the nuance, the emotion, and the culture behind the words. This is intensive reading on steroids. You are getting a deep, professional explanation instantly. This prevents you from making logical mistakes that can stay with you for years. You are building a very high-quality internal grammar map because you are getting the why behind the what. Part 5. Step 3. The voice mode speaking partner. This is the most important part of the 5 times faster system. Most students spend years studying, but 0 minutes speaking. This is why they stay at B1 forever. To go 5 times faster, you must use advanced voice mode on your smartphone. Imagine you are walking your dog or driving to work. You open the ChatGPT app and say, "Hey, I want to practice a conversation. Imagine you are a travel agent and I am planning a trip to London. Let's talk for 10 minutes. Please correct my pronunciation if I make a big mistake." Now you are getting high-frequency output. You are training your speech muscles and your listening ears at the same time. Because the AI voice is so natural, your brain begins to imitate the correct rhythm, the correct stress, and the correct intonation. This is shadowing without the boredom. You are having a real dynamic conversation. Part 6. Step 4. Learning in chunks, not words. If you want to move 5 times faster, you must stop learning single words. Learning decision is slow. Learning make a difficult decision is fast. We call this chunking. Ask the AI, I just learned the word responsibility. Give me 5 natural chunks that native speakers use with this word in a professional context. The AI will give you to take responsibility, a heavy responsibility, to delegate responsibility, to avoid responsibility, a sense of responsibility. By learning these 5 blocks, you have just learned how to use the word in 5 different situations. When you speak, your brain doesn't have to build the sentence, it just grabs the block. This reduces your thinking time and makes you sound much more fluent instantly. This is the difference between a slow student and a fast acquirer. Part 7. Step 5. The refinement phase. The next step is to use AI to refine your own production. Write a short paragraph about your day or a topic you care about. It doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, it should have mistakes. Then give it to the AI and say, "Rewrite this to sound like a native English speaker, but keep it at a B1+ level. Highlight the changes you made and explain why." This is the most powerful mirror you will ever have. You will see that you used "very good" 3 times, and the AI will suggest "excellent," "wonderful," or "superb." You will see that your sentences were too short, and the AI will show you how to connect them. This is personalized correction. You aren't studying a general grammar rule, you are studying your own English. You are fixing the specific bugs in your own software. This is how you move from B1 to B2 in months instead of years. Part 8. Step 6. Mastering the music of English. As a follower of English Parchment, you already know that the quality of what you hear is just as important as what you read. To learn 5 times faster, your ears need perfect input. You need to hear the natural rhythm, the correct stress, and the genuine emotion of the language. When you listen to these long-form narrations, your brain is doing something amazing called subconscious statistical learning. Even if you aren't focusing 100%, your brain is silently counting how many times a certain sound appears. It is mapping the music of English, the melody that native speakers use without thinking. My advice for your 5 times faster journey is this. Use high-quality voice technology to turn the stories you created in Step 1 into your own personal audio tracks. There are incredible tools available today that provide clear, natural, and expressive voices. Listen to your custom stories while you are doing chores, walking, or exercising. Because you already know the story, since you designed it, your brain doesn't have to struggle to understand the meaning. This allows 100% of your mental power to focus on the sounds and the rhythm. This is the ultimate listening hack to bridge the gap between B1 and native-like understanding. By surrounding yourself with high-quality audio, you are literally reprogramming your ears for fluency. Part 9. The 5 times faster daily schedule. To make this work, you need a system. Here is the English Parchment Daily AI Routine. Morning. 5 minutes. Ask AI to generate a fact of the day in English based on your interest. Read it once. Commute. 15 minutes. Use voice mode to discuss that fact or your plans for the day. Evening. 10 minutes. Write 3 sentences about your day. Ask AI to naturalize them. Read the corrected versions out loud 3 times. Weekends, 20 minutes. Watch a long-form video here on English Parchment to immerse yourself in high-quality storytelling and listening practice. This is only 30 minutes a day, but because it is active, personalized, and AI-powered, it is more effective than 3 hours in a traditional classroom. You are focused on the Goldilocks zone of your own level every single minute. Part 10. Overcoming the AI trap. I must give you a warning. There is an AI trap that can slow you down. The trap is passivity. If you just ask the AI to translate this or write this for me, you aren't learning. You are just using a tool. To learn 5 times faster, The AI must be your coach, not your slave. You must do the hard work of thinking, speaking, and trying. Use the AI to check your work, to explain things, and to provide the environment. But you must be the one who opens your mouth and speaks. You must be the one who tries to guess the meaning of a word before asking the AI. The AI is the bicycle, but you are the one who must pedal. If you don't pedal, you won't go anywhere. Part 11. The Psychology of the Infinite Teacher. The most beautiful thing about this system is how it changes your identity. In the old way, you were a passive student. You were waiting for the teacher to tell you what to do. You were afraid of being wrong. In the AI way, you are a proactive scientist. You are the director of your own journey. This sense of agency, the power to choose your own path, creates a massive boost in your confidence. When you realize that you have an infinite teacher in your pocket who is always ready to help you, the fear of English disappears. You stop seeing English as a difficult mountain and start seeing it as a playground. And when you play, you learn at the speed of light. This shift in mindset is the real reason you will move 5 times faster. It's not just the technology, it's the new version of you that the technology allows you to become. Part 12. The Universal Prompt for Success. As I promised at the beginning, here is the universal prompt. You can use this every single day to start a perfect learning session. I will put this in the video description so you can copy and paste it. I am a B1 English learner. Today I want to talk about insert topic. 1. Write a 300-word interesting story about this. 2. Provide a list of 5 chunks used in the story. 3. Ask me 3 questions about my opinion on this topic to start a conversation. 4. Correct my responses only if they are difficult to understand, but keep the conversation flowing. This one prompt combines reading, vocabulary, and speaking practice in one go. It is your daily fluency pill. Part 13. Conclusion and call to action. We have reached the end of our guide. We have seen how AI provides the immediate feedback, the personalized interest, and the safe environment you need to explode your progress. The old way took years. The AI way takes months. You have the tools, you have the system. The only thing left is for you to start. I want to hear from you. Which of these AI steps are you going to try first? Are you going to try a custom story? Or are you going to try the voice mode for the first time? Tell us in the comments. Your commitment today is the first step toward your fluency tomorrow. If you found this 20-minute masterclass valuable, please give the video a thumbs up and share it with a friend who is struggling with their English. And if you haven't already, subscribe to English Parchment. We are on this journey together, and we won't stop until we hit that 100,000 subscriber goal and you hit your dream of speaking English like a pro. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your attention, and remember, the future of English is in your hands. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I will see you in the next story. Happy learning!